Welcome back, dear students. We have started the chapter The Indus Valley Civilization. This is the fourth part of the same chapter. Earlier we have talked about the meaning of civilization, the sources, what were the excavations and when they took place. And we have also talked about one of the major characteristics of the Indus Valley Civilization, the town planning. We are still on this very topic, and one of the reasons was for the town planning, the major part was the citadel. So in the citadel, which is the upper part of the Harappan civilization cities, we can see that there was this, but citadel had many things like temples, buildings, assembly halls. So we have talked about citadel. Now we are talking about, we'll take up the topic, the great granary. So it was the largest building in the Harappa in the citadel area. So citadel area, I told you, the upper part of the Harappan city. And you remember it was built on a raised platform with high walls. These walls were, and inside those, walls, you can see inside the citadel, the other things were the great granary. So it was a largest building of the citadel area. It was a very impressive structure of the Harappan cities. Why? So because it had 2 rows of 6 granaries. All of them were situated near the river area. And why do you think they were situated near the river area? So that it could be, that the goods could be easily transported by boats to one place to the other area through river area, right? So through the river route. And timber was largely used in the construction of this building. So then these granaries were well ventilated and mainly built with thousands of fired bricks. And why do you think they were well ventilated and they were huge? So that they could store excess grain and this could be used for trading purposes, so that more income could be generated, and there could be help during the time of calamities, like natural calamities like floods or famine. Then the third point we can say is, it was several circular brick platforms and rows of holes on these platforms have been found towards the south of these granaries. So why do you think these holes were there? To keep and store the grains away from rats and insects. So they had to, because grain, if they are not safeguarded properly, what will happen? These insects may eat it away. So there were several circular brick platforms and rows of holes on these platforms so that it could be safeguarded from the rats and insects. Then you had remains of the grains in the whole area show the circular platforms were probably used for threshing the grains in those times. Numerous 2-room quarters have been found in the nearby areas, and the laborers used to live there. Quarters were built for the laborers so that they can take care of the great granary. Corn mills were found near the quarters. Several furnaces were also found, used by metal workers to provide a variety of metal objects, and that were also found near the granary area. So it is one of the very large buildings, and these had these qualities. Just see, point wise I have marked it, so just go through them very carefully, and when I send you the question and answers, you can do it point wise. The next we are going to talk about is the Great Bath. Again, an important structure of the citadel area. It is one of the most impressive public buildings in the Mohenjo-daro in Sindh. It is a rectangular structure, and it used to resemble a big rectangular structure, and it used to resemble, as the name suggests, like a swimming pool. A very large size tank it was, okay, with great 2.5 meter of depth, and half had brick made steps leading to the bottom of the tank. Then it was 4-sided open structure having 6 entrances. So 4 side and 6 entrances were there. surrounded by galleries and rooms made for changing clothes and taking rest. So remember those times these people were so planned and they had thought of such thing and such things were there. The tank derived water mainly from the well which was situated near the adjoining room, and the structure was built for some kind of elaborate ritual of great importance or taking holy bath during some religious festivals or occasions. The huge drain attached with the tank's jest, so there was a huge drain also in the tank, and the water was drained after its use. So very planned. In the next section I am going to talk about the assembly halls and the lower towns. The upper town is the citadel and the lower town, that is the residential buildings. So please go through the chapter carefully. Thank you.